Check out the $34 Walmart joints on the feet though. They look good. The boy's dressed like a freaking decent member of society or something. You know we got this. Woo. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Man, I gotta give y'all a little 360 in case y'all ain't know. 360. The last wash at Jerry's crib, it really held up good. Dressing, I guess, you know, businessy or whatever, people look at me like I finally deserve to be in this car. It's just weird, but whatever. I don't get those weird looks anymore, like when I be having my sweatsuit or, you know, just like shorts or anything hopping out of the car, I guess looking like a derelict or whatever. So what are we gonna do today? I have some more sauce in a box over here. Shout out to my guys, Keys Motorsports. We're gonna open that up in a minute. But before that, I gotta run over here and check my guy. We gotta figure out what's going on with his 430. You guys remember him? I think got like 80,000 miles on it now, and it's been through a little bit of a lot. And the other day, the car just died out on him. We ran some diagnostics. The fuel pump seems to be good. That EKP3 module is completely blown out. It literally burnt the connector. I'll show a picture right here. So we swapped the module first and the connector. Now I have to run over there. I'm gonna try to attempt to code it. You gonna help me out?
No.
Huh? Why not?
I'm tired.
What you did? You just woke up. Oh, you worked out in the house. Oh man, I have to lay down in the car mad long. See, this is the EKP thingy. This controls the fuel pump. Depending on, I guess, how much boost or whatever, this thing computes how much the fuel pump should start pumping. And this connector was shot in here. I'll disconnect it because it doesn't matter. So we replaced this, or he replaced this, and he told me that all these pins are perfect. I had him depin it and repin it. I'm not exactly sure why there's electrical tape, but let's just hope that nothing's wrong. I see you got some stuff over here too, which scares me because this wasn't supposed to be like that. You brought that dog out here? Oh. Yeah, once again, shout out to these guys. Launch Scanner. I'll put the link down below on Amazon if you want to pick this up. This thing coated the airbags in my 335. So try to see if this thing can code this as well. It does a whole bunch of different things. I'll jump in and go to diagnose. Diagnose for BMW. Looks Android based, and it does require a good Wi-Fi connection, so always make sure you're close. So you got the drivetrain malfunction off in the corner. So I finally found it. At least I think I found it. Special function. Drive. Activation of electronic fuel pump electronics. This service enables you to actuate the activation F1. Might be switched off. Cool. Let's do it. Hopefully this thing works. If this thing works, this scanner is next level. Fuel pump is put into operation. Continue. And also burn this just in case too, because BMW electronics and coding and all that stuff be getting a little wonky if you don't have a battery the proper voltage. So that's always good to check out. If it'd like to turn green, but yeah, I mean, driven quite a bit of ways, and we still running good. No drivetrain malfunction or anything like that. I brought the code scanner with me, the battery box and everything, just to make sure we all good. I'm gonna pop up my guy real quick, show him that. Ooh, I like the little white interior. Oh, check him out. I don't know, man. Did I make a mistake by not getting the white? This is more like on the ivory side. Shout out to my guy Eamon with the G80. He got the ivory interior. This is nice. I'm more of a Silverstone kind of guy, but I'll tell you one thing. I've had several black interior cars. Black is probably the ugliest interior color choice you can get because it's like basic. It makes the interior look cheaper. But this white, the red, which I'm getting kind of used to the red. This is I've had like 3, I think, red interiors. The saddle brown. And, I did have an ivory. My BMW 5 Series, if I could pull up a video or old picture, had the white interior, the same color. Now, as far as like maintaining everything, it does get beat up a bit. But, if you maintain these and keep them clean, the white interior, it's like black paint on the exterior. When it's clean, it's clean. When it's not, it's not. I'm not sure if they had an option like they do in my car, the G80s and the F80s, where this is the same. I don't know if the F80s actually had that, but whereas this is the same color as the interior, so that would be white instead of black. With this black and white, it's not too bad. It looks pretty good. On my red, I notice it a lot, and I'll say this a million times. It makes the interior look a heck of a lot cheaper. And little things like this being Sensatech and the dash being Sensatech and stuff like that, you know, it gets by in these cars. But to get the G80 and the GT2, I don't know if I can redo it. If I can do it over again, I'd actually don't really care too much for the laser lights. But the top thing I would get is the full interior. G80, nice little thing. That place say M3 Gal, M3 Gal. I was giving a little bit too much gas. I'm still got a little anxiety because I don't fully believe this thing is like fixed. I just don't want it to stall out and cut off on me. It seems pretty good, but I don't know. We gotta fix that though. I gotta tell my guys, stop putting $2, $3 worth of gas in the tank. You don't want to burn anything out with the fuel pump. So with these cars, I'm pretty sure every car is like this. If you just do the $10 and $10 and $10, which he does, it never really gives the fuel pump a chance to relax too. When the fuel pump is in the tank and it's submerged around fuel, obviously when it's like full filled or whatever, it kind of cools the fuel pump down. Also, while providing that gravity, which makes the fuel pump work less. I learned that by running my M340 low with E in it. He mad. Oh man, I knew he was gonna be. Hold on.
This motherfucking Republican.
Yo. Top of the night, baby. Launch. Woo! God. Look at that. I had to park like this. I figured this gas station lighting would be a little bit better, but it's just kind of trash.
See, this is looking icy right here. That's how I know you just got it locked. Usually, he don't give a fuck right now. Like, he'll treat this like a regular basic BMW.
Nah.
She's gorgeous, bro. You give her a wash, though, bro. Everything just
yeah, I know. Let me get a thumbnail. Yo, tell me what you think about that Porsche, bro?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That's looking like a rocket in that video, bro. I don't know.
You see the way it lift up? Hold on, let me show you the picture. You see the way it lifted up, bro? I said, go. Look at the back wheel. It's squat at the front. In the air, bro. That shit's a rocket. Got my guy out with the Tune Stage 2 430. I know he gonna get extra spicy tonight. He came with a passenger. So, you know, it's probably gonna be showing out. You see, I'm solo right now. But, yeah, we're gonna go for a little drive and we're gonna take it for a little spin. Huh? Woo! God damn. This thing is fast, bro.
Go unlock so that way the...
Yeah, the keys is in there. It's a little, you see the inside of that shit? It's right here.
Yeah, going down.
And man, I gotta come up under here and clean these brakes, boy.
Oh, you got 10 minutes to take it off. You got 10 minutes to take it off. Yeah, I'm gonna call you back in 10 minutes. Don't worry. But the camera, I got a camera on me. That's why I gotta call you back. I literally got a camera on me.
Yo, this is regular. Don't got no weed in it, right?
Nah, no weed.
Right.
Nah, I ain't gonna get you got a job.
I mean, you got a job too.
Give me 10 minutes, baby. I'm gonna call you right back.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, just wanted to make sure she wasn't catfish.
Oh, you never met her before?
I just bagged on IG today.
Yeah. Well, I go to Chase real quick so I can get his breath. Yo, I can walk. I ain't gonna lie, cause it's right across the street.
Nah, bro, it's raining. While walking, niggas got a call.
Ooh. So, trying to go outside, take it for a little spin, bring the cars out. Started raining. On top of that, I got a slow leak. So now, I told myself, this ain't gonna kill my shine, man. I'm gonna get the tire plugged. We call it a day. My man's was plugging the tire. Inside is bald. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie. The way I drive, I don't feel confident driving like that. Cause my wheels, since the car been lowered, it's kind of cambered a little bit. And I took it to the alignment shop. They said it's okay. It does handle real good, so that might be a positive benefit. I'll show you how it looks, but the inside wears out, kind of like the rear wheels do now. So I forgot to take an extra 20. Had to drive out, way out east, West Bubba, pick up my new tires or my takeoffs for the fronts to throw on the M4. It's so sad because the whole tire is back. I'ma just hope that's not accurate. I know that 52 is high, but let me just check. I'ma just double check. Oh, this shit says 0. Man, that's good.
Like 0, that's the problem.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking like.
You just made my friend green.
Oh, nah, you good, bro. Yo, take it easy. Man, I don't know if he got in this. It kind of stinking here. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't even know. This is not me. In Harlem right now, 135. About to hit up this little Jamaican spot. 24-hour Jamaican food right here. You know what it's called? King Barker. Took my Parker spot. Can I make it? Sheesh. I thought I had traction fully off. That's why I was letting off the gas. It low-key be sounding good when it want to, yo. I swear. Now, this is stock exhaust, just Callus downpipes. I swear, in certain modes, like, you making this thing sound good. All I'm gonna do is spin. I got an MDM mode too. This thing be low-key sounding good when it want to. He's wow. Yo, I'm definitely not about to do that. I turn the exhaust off. I ain't trying to be too much of a nuisance, man. I ain't trying to draw no attention. I'll turn it on. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, that's mad attention, chorus grabbing. Turn that back off. It's quiet. I got you. I was just about to spin too. What the hell? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired. It looks like I'm gonna have to close this video out here. We already got harassed once, so I ain't in the mood, bro. I ain't in the mood to deal with no more police and none of that stuff. Hey, look, man, they getting somebody over there. They out tonight though. But we good though. We got the M4 back out again to the Dorch flex fuel kit. And we got the 430 back out after the EKP. So I'll probably come back out here another day and give you guys a full city rundown, a city tour, but I'm tired. I think I'm gonna close this video out as is. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Peace out.